Okay, now that we've learned major and minor chords, let's learn the chords which make up a major scale. So in any major scale, we have a type of chord for each note. So remember when you did the degree of the scale, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so for each of these notes, we have a chord assigned to it. Okay, so let's start. So our 1 note, which is our C, the type of tonality it would have is a major tonality. Okay, so the 1 would be a major chord. Okay, so since we know our chords, you'd play a C major chord. All right, our 2 chord would be a minor tonality. Okay, so it wouldn't be major. Okay, so we would play a D minor chord. Okay, our 3, which is our third note, would also have a minor tonality. So you would play a E minor chord. Okay, our 4th note would be a major tonality. So we'll play a F major chord. Our 5th note would be a major tonality as well. So we'll play a G major chord. Our 6th note would be a minor tonality. So we'll play a A minor chord. And our 7th note would be a diminished chord. Okay, which we'll cover in the next lesson. Okay, so a diminished chord, which is okay, so a diminished chord is basically made up of minor thirds. Okay, then we're back at the 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're back at the 1. All right, let's try this for, it's about G major. Okay, let's learn the chords for G major. So remember we said the 1 is major. So we have our G major chord here, right? The 2 is minor. So we have our minor. The 3 is also minor, which is this note. So this would be a B minor. All right. The 4 is a major tonality. So we play our C major. Okay, this is the 4th note. So this is C major. D would be major, the 5th note. Okay. E would be minor, which is the 6. The 6 is always minor. Well, in some cases. Okay. Not in every case, but sometimes, well, most of the time, the 2, the 3, and the 6 are minor chord qualities, right? And the 7 is diminished. So we have our F sharp diminisher. And back to our 1. Okay, so learning how to play these chords in a key is very crucial when you want to play by ear, because you could take these simple chords and make something you call chord progressions, and this is how songs are formed. Popular songs you listen to every day on the radio, this is how they are formed, just by using diatonic chords. Okay, so diatonic chords are basically chords which are within the scale, like we just covered here. Okay, so the next lesson we'll look at chord progressions. All right.